Welcome. In front of me is an iPhone 14 Pro, and today I'll show you how you can insert a SIM card into this phone. Now to get started, you'll need to grab a SIM eject tool. This is for, I believe, just the European people. If I'm correct, if you're in the US, your phone might not have a SIM tray at all. So I don't know if that's true, haven't checked it. In any case, if you do have a SIM tray, which is located on the left side below the volume buttons, so you can see it right over here, then you want to grab a SIM eject tool, which comes provided with the device. Find the insert pin, which for me is right over here, push the pin in, and you can see that the tray just comes out ever so slightly, enough for you to grab it, take it out, and here you'll have space for just a single SIM card, and that's it. Now the device does also support eSIM, so if that is something that you want to utilize, you can do so instead, though I don't have an eSIM, so I have no way of showcasing this. So I'm gonna do it only with a SIM card. Now once you insert your SIM, you'll get a pop-up, as you can see, system SIM locked. Click on it, select our pin. This was just a pin for the lock screen, and this will take you to the SIM card settings right here. As you can see, SIM card locked. Click on this, enter SIM card pin. For me it's the same one. Confirm it, and there we go. Your SIM card should be now working. So anyway, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.